Okay, Lynn. Now, Lynn, what do you think is the best name of the story? Lynn, what do you think is the best name of the story? What do you think is the best name of the story? Put a tick.
This
It's
is a day on the beach.
okay. It's a day on the beach. The answer is oh, it's not a beach, but it's a jungle. Lynn, it's a jungle. Okay, now this time, Lynn, I want you to read and understand Freddy and the party, and then write the words that missing. Okay, go.
Something
Okay, Lynn, please read Lynn numbers 1 to 3. Go number 1.
after breakfast. So he looks at the picture in his nail polish. Fills has his books and heads to school in his school dress. Phil wears to school by 5.
Okay, let's check your answer. Number 1, after breakfast. Fred look at the pictures in his number 1 is his new comic, correct? 2, Fred carried his book and pens to school in his school bag. 3, Fred went to school by bike. Perfect. Very good, Lynn. Okay, next, Lynn. Next number. We have here number 4, 5, 6. Go. Okay, Lynn, please read Lynn.
Phil's was his focus on the desk when he sat down. Phil's desk was to wear his jacket because this was hot in the classroom. Outside the window, there were people on the grass.
Okay, let's check your answer. Number 4. Fred put his school books on the desk when he sat down. The answer is correct. Number 5. Fred didn't want to wear his jacket because it was hot in the classroom. Correct. 6. Outside the window, there were people on the grass. Perfect. Okay, look at there, me at Lynn, 4, 5, and 6. They are all correct answers. Next, Lynn. How about let's do 7, 8, 9. How about okay. How about Lynn? You read 7 to 10.
The sun has risen. Cloud was in front of us, and the children. The children was to make all when in the classroom. The children has the school battery because it's for the last school day.
Okay, let's check now your answer. Number 1, teacher had a guitar. The answer is very good. Teacher or the teacher had a guitar. 8, blank were in front of the people. Who's in front of the people? It's the clown. Correct. 9, the children laughed when tomato went in the clown's mouth. The answer is tomato. Number 10, the children had a full party because it was their last school day. Perfect. Very good, Lynn. Perfect. Okay, you were able to understand the text. That's why you were able to give the correct answer. Now, here, Lynn. Lynn, let's try to continue or to complete the text about the moon. Write your answer on the given spaces. There are choices at the side. Go.
There's only needs.
Okay, please read, Lynn.
The moon is beautiful as night, sometimes the most looks with and rush both us. Most of times is Mongolia and Timor. lots of Nana. A lot of children want to roll their boats they can't. It's isn't a very nice place. It's sometimes very cold and sometimes very hot. There is no stress and there isn't any cold. There are no animals and no people.
Okay, waiting for a while. Okay, Lynn, ready to check your answers? Ready?
Yes.
Okay, so we have here the text about the moon. So your task is to choose the right words, then write your answers on the given lines. Now we have here the word the moon. So the moon is beautiful at night. Sometimes the moon looks big and round above us, but often it is smaller and thinner, correct? Like a banana. Now, a lot of children want to go there, but they can't. Correct. So it isn't, look at here, a very good place. It's sometimes very cold and sometimes very hot. There is no grass and there isn't any food. There's no animals and no people. Very good. Lynn, here in the last part of this reading and writing, you were able to get a good, perfect score. Congratulations. Now, Lynn, here. Lynn, how about you? Do you want to go to the moon too? Lynn, do you want to go to the moon?
Yes.
Yes. What do you want to do if you are already in the moon? What will you do? Or why do you want to go to the moon, Lynn? Why you want there? Because?
Because it's beautiful.
Okay, because it's beautiful. And here, Lynn, what do you think? Is the moon near or it's far?
It's
Okay. Is it near or it's far?
not.
It's far, yeah. Lynn, if you are given a chance to go to the moon, what will you do there? What will you do in the moon, Lynn, if you will go there? I will. What will you do? I will. You want to play in the moon? Huh? What do you want to do if you are already in the moon, Lynn? I will. Okay. All right. So, Lynn, I think you still don't have idea on what will you do if you are already in the moon. Okay. So, Lynn, that would be all for today. Thank you for coming in today's class, Lynn. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye.
It's not interesting.
Yeah. Okay. See you again.